Hey, are your customers just dropping by once, or are they becoming part of your recurring revenue backbone? That's exactly why we built this insight into Putler. So let's dive a little deeper. Step 1. Log in to Putler. Head straight to the customer's dashboard. Scroll a bit and you'll find Customer Metrics. This is where Putler quietly reveals one of the most important snapshots of your business. One-time versus recurring customers. It's simple, visual. Just set the date range you want to analyze, and it will show the values based on the period you select. If you want to go beyond the high-level numbers and actually see the list of recurring or one-time customers, there's a little workaround that often does the trick. Please note, a customer who has made just one purchase order in the selected date range is treated as one-time, and a returning customer is someone who bought before the selected date range and buys again within that range. For recurring customers, look at the left-hand side predefined filters. Go to Customer Type, select Returning Customers. You'll now see the exact list of all recurring customers. Whenever you want to apply a new filter, make sure to clear the previous one using the Clear button on the upper left side. For one-time customers again, use the left-hand predefined filters. Go to Orders and select 1 to 2 orders. This usually shows you your one-time customers. You'll get a clean list that you can also download. This workaround works for most setups, super useful when you want the actual data instead of just the summary numbers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our other helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.